Looking for holistic way to boost your reproductive health? Then our natural procreate plan has got your back. Start your day with a healthy, nourishing bowl like this. This isn't just breakfast, it's a declaration, a ritual, a whisper to your cells, and your womb will thank you for it. Oats filled with beta glucan to nourish your gut, egg to fuel your hormones, coconut to awaken your cells, and cinnamon to calm your nerves, your spirit, and it's also a carminative supporting digestive health. Every ingredient chosen with intention to support reproductive health, vitality, and the sacred power of midlife womanhood. So you get the nut from each shell and cut it into little bits and blend it until it's smooth to the consistency that you like. I use water here. It's optional. You can use milk if you want. After blending, it's time to make the oats. This is my pot. I added water also before pouring the oats in. Now you pour all the oats in and you stir for a little while. Then I added my protein. You stir until everything is well combined. Each stir a spell, each bite a blessing, each breath a return to believe. If you are liking what you are watching so far, endeavor to support us, like and comment. Also tag a woman who needs this reminder. Now you turn your blended coconut into the pot. Add a bit of salt. If you want sugar, you can add it, but I don't want sugar. So you stir until it's well cooked. Then we come to the best part that we are going to enjoy our liver. Now turn it into a bowl, whichever bowl you prefer. So relax, then we enjoy. Look how nice it turns out. Now I'm going to add a sprinkle of cinnamon before enjoying it. If you want to join our natural procreate plan, DM ready or comment below this video and we'll get in touch with you. Bye for now.